Let me show you how to align and size the fields. Select the Arrange tab on the top ribbon. Left-click on a field to select it, or hold down the Control key while left-clicking to select multiple fields. We recommend making all the fields the same height for better alignment. The field does not need to be any taller than one line of font. The fields will grow in height to accommodate longer data. You can also click and drag a box to select multiple fields. The field with solid blue squares will be your anchored field. The width of the field determines where a text wrap may occur. If you find your text wrapping to another line, just increase the width of the field. You can also select multiple fields by clicking and dragging in the margins. Notice by selecting the Align to Top, the other selected fields move to the anchored field. In the Design tab, you can also choose how the text in each field is justified. Another great tool is using the equal horizontal or vertical alignments. After you have everything aligned, use the arrow keys to move cells in a straight vertical or horizontal direction. The amount of space between the lowest field in the section and the bottom of the section will determine how much spacing will be printed between records.